Across Africa, railway megaprojects are redefining infrastructure, linking cities, nations, and economic zones like never before. From Bizata in Tunisia to Cape Town in South Africa, and from Dakar in Senegal to Mogadishu in Somalia, these monumental efforts are fueling growth, transforming industries, and empowering millions. At African Megaprojects, we bring you the latest updates on these groundbreaking initiatives, examining their staggering costs, technical complexities, and, most importantly, their impact on the everyday lives of Africans. Today, we turn our attention to southeastern Africa to explore Mozambique's Cape Gauge railway network. Spanning 3,000 kilometers, it links the country with 4 neighboring nations, Malawi, Zimbabwe, South Africa, and Eswatini. Strategically designed to serve 3 key ports, Maputo, Beira, and Nacala, the network supports both freight and passenger operations. Mozambique's railway system is divided into 3 zones: Southern, Central, and Northern. We covered the Southern Zone in episode 23. Now, in this 25th episode, we shift our focus to the Central Zone. The Central Zone's railway network serves the Beira Corridor, an essential trade route linking the port of Beira to Zimbabwe, Malawi, Zambia, Botswana, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. This corridor is anchored by 2 primary railway lines. The first is the Machipanda railway line, also known as the Beira-Bulawayo line. Stretching 880 kilometers and built to Cape Gauge specifications, the line runs from the port of Beira through Dondo, Kimoyo, and Machipanda in Mozambique, reaching the border town of Mutarara in Zimbabwe. From there, it continues through Harare and Gweru, terminating in Bulawayo. The Machipanda line plays a vital role in transporting coal, agricultural products, and general cargo, acting as a strategic export route for landlocked Zimbabwe. While freight remains its primary focus, it also accommodates passenger services. Looking ahead, the future of this railway is even more promising. Mozambique, Zimbabwe, and Botswana are jointly advancing a 1,700-kilometer transnational railway linking Beira to Botswana via Zimbabwe. This bold $6.5 billion initiative aims to connect several landlocked countries to a new deepwater port at Tecobanin, Mozambique, unlocking vast mineral export opportunities and reshaping regional logistics. The second line is the Sena Railway. This line stretches 660 kilometers, running from the port of Beira on Mozambique's coast to the inland mining hub of Motais, and further toward Malawi. It operates on the Cape Gauge, that's 1,067 millimeters, and supports an axle load of 20.5 tons, with an operating speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Now, along its route, the line passes through a number of key cities and towns in Mozambique, including Beira, Dondo, Nhamiabu, Vila Nova da Fronteira, and of course, Motais. Beyond Mozambique, the railway extends into Malawi, connecting towns like Maka, Bangula, Nsanje, and Blantyre, and even links indirectly to Chipata in eastern Zambia. The Sena Railway, originally built to connect Malawi with Mozambique's port of Beira, was constructed between 1901 and 1930 and played a key role in transporting agricultural goods. It suffered severe damage during the Mozambican Civil War and was shut down in 1983, with further setbacks from flooding in 1997. Restoration began in 2006, and by 2010 the line was fully reopened, significantly boosting coal export capacity from Motais, increasing it fourfold from 5 to 20 million tons per year. Now let's look at the future. A key project currently underway is the revival of a 115-kilometer rail spur between Mutarara in Mozambique and Bangula in Malawi, passing through Vila Nova da Fronteira. This link, 44 kilometers in Mozambique and 71 kilometers in Malawi, aims to re-establish a direct rail connection from Malawi to the port of Beira. Why does this matter? Because it will significantly reduce reliance on costly and inefficient road transport and open up new export opportunities for goods like sugar and even fuel, as seen in 2024 when Malawi welcomed the first fuel delivery train at Maka in over 40 years. In summary, Mozambique's Central Railway network, made up of the Machipanda and Sena lines, is more than just a transport system. It plays a key role in connecting countries, boosting trade, and supporting economic growth across southern Africa. These rail lines are helping landlocked nations reach the ports and markets they need. They show how strong infrastructure can improve lives and strengthen regional ties. With big projects like the Beira, Botswana Railway and the Mutarara, Bangula connection underway, this network is set to move not only goods faster, but also help entire economies grow. These tracks are paving the way for real transformation. That wraps up our journey through Mozambique's Central Railway Zone, where steel rails are doing more than moving trains, they are moving nations forward. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a stop on our African megaprojects journey. Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments, we read every single one. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your eyes on the tracks. The next stop could change everything.